Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $300-400 with this new platform. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again any content like this one. If you stay tuned until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage to make more every single day. My name is Pinto. Welcome to my channel. So let me give you an overview of this platform. What is LBRY? LBRY basically is a new platform where you can watch video and get paid by doing that. And if you are a creator as well, you can get paid by creating video just like on YouTube. So why I believe that this platform is the new way to come, because lately you see that Facebook is shutting down many accounts and people are really being worried with that. There's no like free speech on Facebook that much, and this platform you can post anything that you want. You have the freedom to speak, you have the freedom to talk wherever you want to talk about. And as you know, this is the way, and people are more likely to come to this platform so that they can have the freedom to speak. So now, how you can register to this platform? You can just sign up using the link below. You will go to register, and then you can put your email and name, and it's all simple. It's step by step. There is nothing complicated with this platform. Now, this is my account. When you sign up, you will be first, you need to be accepted. Don't worry, because they will accept everybody. Your account will go through a process, and it may take let's say 15 hours or more. It depends, but you will be accepted to join this new platform. Now, every time you watch a video, you're gonna be rewarded with LBRY. LBRY basically is a new coin. Now, it's easy to manage. If you want to search for video, just go to the search bar and search for anything that you want. Now, where you find your wallet, you can find your wallet by simply click on you will see LBC, like a number. When you sign up, you're gonna get a few LBRY on your account. So let's say 1 or 2 or 3 LBRY just by sign up with LBRY. Now you can click on LBRY to see your wallet, and then you will see this is your wallet, your balance. If you want to see your wallet, you click your address, and you will be, this is your wallet. If you want to send money from somewhere to your account, you can also do that. And if you want to send credits, you just click send credits. It will send to your other address or to your PayPal or other places. So this is something very, very interesting. Now let me show you exactly how you can make more and more and more. And this is the fun part. You can simply click on this icon, your account, and then go to rewards. You can add it to rewards. Now this is where we're gonna make more and more LBRY every single day. Now let me open my calculator so that you can see how we can make more. Now they have many programs for now. If you jump in today, if you can start right now, they have these rewards that you can simply by sign up, by inviting people, by watching videos, you can get paid. I know that it will not last for long. That's why I'm encouraging you to start doing it today. Now only up to 10 views per day count, you're gonna get 1 LBRY. Let's say we're gonna watch at least 10 views or 10 videos, but you're gonna get more than just 10 LBRYs or 1 LBRY, okay? Because I did already, I gained many, and so I invested in my videos that I'm uploading every single day. So let's say you get 10, okay? Let's say you get 10 LBRY. You're gonna get 10 LBRY if you watch at least, let's say 5 or 10 videos. Let's say you get 10, and then there is a daily watch rewards. This is one of the things that you're gonna get for like on your emails and other stuff. Let's say we have plus 100 LBRY, and then this is another one. We're gonna get plus 6. All these rewards you will going to get plus 1. This is the one, okay? Now by inviting people, you're gonna earn 15 LBRYs, which is amazing. Guys, you have friends. If you don't have friends like me, well, you can just simply spam people on the internet. I'm kidding. Don't do that. You can, I know that you have friends. Maybe you have your dad, somebody in your family. You can invite them so that they can join LBRY and help you to make more money. It's simple. You just say, hey, look, it doesn't take any money from you. Just help me to just sign up to this library, and I'm gonna get paid. And as well, you're my friend and my family, which is good. Let's say you invite 15 people, okay, 15 people. Now let's say maybe 10, let's say 10, okay, 10, 15 multiply 10, 15, let's say you invite 10 people, 15 multiply 10 is 150 again plus. Now if you download the app using on your computer and on your phone, you're gonna get paid, and within 24 hours if you return to the app, you're gonna get paid as well. So let's say it's about all this reward, it's about 25, another 25. Now just in one single day, by doing this simple task, you're gonna get 292 or more. If you watch more videos, it's 25, and it sums up to 292 libraries in just one single day. Now you are asking, okay, 292 libraries, what I can do with 292 libraries? How much is one library actually? You have to pay attention with what I'm about to say just right now. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Now you can search here for library. Let's say library here. It's already open right now. Library, and then you will open, and then you will open this page right here. So right now you can see that library basically is less than 100 million market cap. I don't have that much time to explain everything in this video, but just know that this means that this library also can have the potential to go up. You can also see the supply right now in the market, and my getaway is that how they are marketing their products is that they have the potential to go up very, very easily. Now, a few months ago, just in January, one library was worth about $1.21. Okay, this was the highest value in the market about in library. Now right now it's less than $1. It's $0.03. You're asking, oh my god, that's too slow. Now remember, this is the fun part. They are marketing so well their platform, and I'm pretty sure that library within months will go up, will go way beyond $1. Okay, will go way beyond $1. That's how people made a lot of money. That's the way. Just like Bitcoin was worth less than 1 cent, and now it's worth $10,000. So don't miss this opportunity, because you never know. I'm pretty sure that library will go up more than just $1 or $10. Now, okay, now you have 292, and if you keep doing that every single day, for now your 292 will be worth less than, let's multiply it. Let's say multiply 0.03. It's about $8. Okay, in just one day, $8. It's not that much, right? Now 292 multiply, let's say you wait for more days. Okay, let's say you wait for more months. Library goes back to $1.21. $1.21. Your 292 libraries will be worth $353. This is if it goes back to $1.21. Now I'm pretty sure, I believe in this crypto, that it will go up way beyond just $1. Okay, that's this is my own perception, and this is my gut, and it will go up to more than just $1. It may go up to 10 and maybe 100 or so. Now, just for pathetic thinking, let me just give you some overview for that. Let's say it goes 292, it goes up to 100. One library can be worth 100 within months or so. I know that you are thinking, come on, this is a little bit impossible. Yeah, let me just say it is worth 100, and maybe the day that you are watching this video is already worth 100, and multiply by 100, it will be your 292 libraries will be worth $29,000. Okay, I mean $29,000. Now this is how people made a lot of money with Bitcoin. You know, they found undervalued a crypto and they invested first, and now with LBRY you can get it like for free just by doing these simple tasks, and now they are worth more and more and more, and they are getting more, and Bitcoin going up every single day. So guys, this is your opportunity to keep using this platform. So use the link below and start using it. You never know, you're gonna get more and more. Maybe it goes up to, let's say, 1,000, just for pathetic thinking, right? 292. Let me just give you 292, and if it goes to 1,000, your money will be $292,000 just by investing. And you don't want to be the person who's going to regret later and say, oh my god, I wish I could do that and I didn't. So this is your opportunity to try it out and keep trying. And tell me in the comments below, maybe I can do another video, and so that you can make more and more and more with this platform. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Next video will be some game changing. The next video will be another platform that you don't have to wait. Okay, you're gonna get paid straight away. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again another amazing content you have been missing for so long. Now is your opportunity to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I see you on the next video. Don't forget, there's another playlist that you will be willing to watch, because you will get paid more and more and more. So see you on the next one.